Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash the stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, to do it, we gotta open up the settings, and first we need to check what is the current version of our software, because when it comes to Samsung devices, we can only flash the same version of the software or every version above. It's impossible to flash older version than our current. So to check the software version, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, and then Software Information. And in here we have our software version, G960FXXUHFVG4. That's the version that I have, so it means that I can flash the same version or every version above it. Now, if you want, you can also check the software version in recovery mode. Let's say that, for example, your device is locked, it's looped in the loading screen. You can only see the Samsung logo. That's the mode when you can try to flash the stock ROM and it may start working properly. So if you want to check the software through recovery mode, first you need to power off the device, so hold the power key, then select power off. And to enter recovery mode, we gotta hold power key, Bixby button, and volume up at the same time until we see the Samsung logo. And when it appears, release the power key but keep holding rest of buttons. Like that. I have released the power key, but I'm still holding volume up and power. And we are in recovery, and in here we have the version of our software. Okay, now using volume keys, select power off and confirm by clicking power button. In the meantime, we can download more things. First, visit our page, HardReset.info, go into download section, and in here type Odin, click on search, select the latest version, 3.14.4, click on download, then go back to the download section, type Samsung drivers, also click on search, select the drivers on the right side, and hit the download button also. Then open up a new tab, type SM G960F firmware. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. Open it up. Okay, the exact model number you can find in About Phone before you click on Software Information. That's the place where it's shown. I have G960F. And now type your country or the CSC code. I'll type Poland. Okay, then scroll down, and in here we have all versions possible. As you could remember, I had this version, VG4. That's actually the latest version, so I can only flash the same version of my stock ROM. So we need to click on that. I need to click on that. I don't know what is your version. And in here we have 3 download links. Let's, for example, pick the one in the middle. It needs to load. And then hit the download button. In my case, everything is already downloaded, so I'm not going to repeat it. Now open up the download section in File Explorer, and in here we have our software, our Odin app, and Samsung drivers. And we need to extract those 3 files, so right click, you can use WinRAR and hit on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. Okay, and now open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, double click and launch it up. In my case, it says that Samsung drivers are already installed, so I'm not going to install it once again. But in your case, if you're installing the drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation. So thanks to that, we'll have 100% sure that every driver is successfully installed and it's working. And the installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, 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 and that's basically all. Okay, now launch the folder with the Odin, open it up, and launch the program. Double click on that, click on OK, and we have our Odin. Now, we need to enter download mode on our phone. To do it, we need to hold power key, Bixby button, and volume down. At the same time, device needs to be turned off. So hold all 3 keys. Okay, I know that it's really dark and you don't see anything on the screen because the brightness is really low and it's impossible to change it in here, but you need to promise me that we have now the custom window, and we need to click on volume up in here, and we are in download mode now. Okay, now we need to connect our phone into our computer using a USB-C cable. So insert the cable to your phone, and as you can see in Odin app, we can see the numbers under ID.com. It is really important that we need to see the numbers. It means that our phone is successfully and properly connected with the computer, so everything will fully work. I highly recommend to use the original Samsung USB-C cable. If you don't have the original one, of course you can pick a different good quality USB-C cable. And now click on BL, go into downloads, open up the folder with the software, and hit BL file, and click on open. Now click on AP, select the AP file, click on open. This one is going to load longer, because that's the biggest file, so we gotta be patient. It won't take that long, so don't worry. Okay, now click on CP, select the CP file, click on open, and you need to be aware that if you are flashing the stock ROM, the phone will perform a factory reset. Our phone will be fully cleaned, almost like a brand new. So now click on CSC and pick CSC file, not home CSC, normal CSC. Click on open. Okay. Everything is loaded in here, so now we can click on start. It has started. As you take a look right in here, we have this bar that it's slowly fulfilling. When it goes to the opposite edge, our phone will be turned off, and then we'll have to go through the setup process. We'll also verify the software version in the settings. In my case, there won't be any difference because I'm flashing the same version because that's the latest one. But I'll show you how you can verify your version. Okay, so it's going to take a little bit, so I'm about to speed up the video a little bit, and I'll see you once the bar is nearly fulfilled. Okay, it's nearly done, so we gotta keep waiting. Now our device will be turned off. Okay, if you see the big green word pass, it means that everything is okay. We can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. We can also close everything on our computer. We don't need the Odin app anymore. I'll actually go to full screen. Okay, and now we gotta wait until our phone turns on. After that, we'll go quickly through the setup process and we'll verify everything in the settings. So I'll see you in the setup process. Alright, the phone has turned on, so we gotta go through the setup process. First select your language, click on OK, and hit that blue arrow. Select that you agree, click on next. We can skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that it will be much faster. I don't want to copy anything, but of course if you want you can copy your data or anything that you want. Hit on accept. I'm just rushing through the setup just to show you how you can verify the version of the software. So in here I'm skipping everything. Okay, all done. Scroll to the upside, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, Software Information, and in here you'll be able to verify your version. Just like I was saying before, there's no difference in my case because I was flashing the same version. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
you.